Hello everyone and welcome back to our tutorial series of Sandbuzz. Today we are going to walk you through how to create email templates in Sandbuzz and also how to use them in your email campaigns. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, after logging to your Sandbuzz account, navigate to the templates section. This is where the magic happens. So you have two options to select a template. The first, you can directly select any template from the template library, and then if you need to create your customized template, then you can also do it here. So select on create template, give a title for your email template, then select the suitable subject for your template. After that, you have to type your email here. So after selecting a title, then selecting a subject, and after typing your email body, you have to review your template to ensure everything looks perfect. Once you are satisfied, then click Save Template at the top right of corner. So you also can see that there are some parameters. It's also showing on right side of your screen, where if you are writing any email body, so it also shows the subject length, then it's also showing the personalization, then the spammy words to correct yourself in email body, then also showing the word count and also links to count. After reviewing all the details, you have to tap on save. Once you tap on save, your template is updated in your template list. So after doing that, I'll show you how to add your template in your campaign. So first, go to the campaigns. Then you have to select create campaign. After that, you have to select a lead list and then build from scratch. Once you do that, select on new email. Then you have to go to templates, then select template and select on your customized template. After that, you have to click on use template, and that's it. You have successfully created a template and used it in an email campaign in Sandbuzz. Using templates helps ensure consistency in your messaging, saves a time, and make your email marketing efforts more efficient. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.